Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today it is very cold and snowy outside, but also sunny, as you can see. It looks very nice. I love snow weather. I will show you a solution or some solutions that I found for technical problem. Watch the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support. Thank you guys for watching the video. If the solution was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and you can comment down below as well. It will help me a lot. See you again later. Bye.